Hi, my name is UTE Gerbershagen, and I'm the Graduate Recruitment Coordinator looking after all of our graduate business programs here at the Goodman School of Business. For example, our MBA and our Master of Science in Management program. We are part of Brock University, located in St. Catharines, Ontario, in Canada. All of our programs are globally recognized for their comprehensive curriculum, real-world approach, and exceptional student support, all designed to help you succeed in your academic program and enhance your leadership skills. From paid co-op terms to experiential learning, small class sizes, and interactive lectures, at Goodman, we make sure that you're getting the experience that you're looking for. The Goodman School of Business has been working with Canam for almost 20 years, and we very much value the relationship we have built over that time. And now we are looking forward to assisting you in finding the right program to help you achieve your career goals. If you would like to learn more about the business programs that we offer here at the Goodman School of Business, please book an appointment with desk number 59 with your Canam counselor and meet me online from September 7th to September 18th at a time and date that's convenient for you. I will be online, looking forward to speaking with you and answering any questions that you may have about our business programs here at the Goodman School of Business. See you then.